ever wanted your phone to listen to you without touching it? Today, I'll show you how to set up Hey Google with Google Assistant on your Android, so you can control your apps, ask questions, and get things done hands-free. First, open the Google app on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Next, tap Google Assistant. Scroll down and select Hey Google and Voice Match. Turn on Hey Google. This lets Google Assistant respond whenever you say the wake words. Now, you'll need to teach Google your voice. Follow the prompts and say Hey Google a few times so it recognizes you personally. Once done, Google Assistant will now respond only to your voice, keeping things secure. You can now say Hey Google anytime to send messages, open apps, set reminders, check the weather, or control smart devices, all without touching your phone. Pro tip, make sure your microphone is enabled and Google Assistant has permission to run in the background. Quick question, what's the first thing you'll ask Google Assistant after setup? Drop it in the comments. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.